Hey there, friends. It's me back again with some new news about the Bambu Lab H2D. It would appear that it was spotted in the wild at, drumroll please, Micro Center. Makes sense, right? One of their biggest distributors here in the US. So, as you can see on my screen here, a Reddit user posted about 13 hours ago this photo from Micro Center. So you can see it's all wrapped up in cellophane. And if we look down here at this sheet of paper, there's some information on it. So I did a little bit of digging because I wanted to know, is this AI generated? Is this just, a bunch of nonsense? Or is this actually credible? I mean, it looks pretty credible. We see typical Bambu Lab look here. We've got the side window, which is more common on some of the newer printers. We've got the little rotating screen here. We've got the little knob up top for the glass lid, and you can see the AMS, looks like an AMS2 Pro on top there as well. And obviously it's marked combo. But down to this little piece of paper, if we zoom in here, you can see there is some information. Bambu Lab is the vendor to Micro Center, and then we've got a purchase order number description that says X2D combo. There's some SKUs, and then we have this gem right here, the EAN, which is like a barcode. So I did a little bit of digging, and if we look, it took me a while to read those numbers because it's not super crisp. But I noticed that the first 8 digits are actually very similar to the first 8 digits of the EAN for Bambu Lab's latest 3D printers, like the H2D, the H2C, P2S, etc. So I kind of painstakingly went through these numbers and, what could that next digit be? What could that next digit be? And eventually I got this number right here, 69372855084661. And all the other ones I tried just came up and said this is not a valid EAN. But this one, we got some information back. And it says this number is registered to whatever that is. I don't read or speak Chinese. And you can see there's a bunch of information down here. But when I search for whatever that is, what do we get? We get Bambu Lab. So that is an EAN that is registered to Bambu Lab. Now, unfortunately, that's about as much information as I can get from the EAN, knowing that it is registered to Bambu Lab. When I try and plug that in to some other barcode lookups, I just get that it's either there's no information or it's registered to Bambu Lab. Some of their other EANs, like this one here, if you search that one, this and look at the number 69372855, same first 8 digits, actually the first 10 digits are the same. This is the P2S combo. So only a couple digits difference in the EAN. So there you have it. Let me come back. Tell me what you think. The Bambu Lab X2D, I think we can safely say that we'll see it soon. I don't know exactly when, I don't know features or specifications, and I don't know price. But it's apparently at Micro Center, so I think my earlier estimation that we'll see it here in April is probably pretty good. What I want to know from you is 2 things. First, what are the must-have features on this printer? And second, what price would you consider buying it at? So features, does it have to have a larger build size? I think we might see at least bigger than 256 because if it's dual nozzle, we saw it on the H2D, that nozzle offset means you lose some of the build area, and I would hate to think that the X2D is going to have a smaller build area than 256 in any dimension. So is it build plate size? Is it nozzle temperature? Is it a heated chamber? What are your must-have features on this printer? And then secondly, what price are you willing to pay for it? As I mentioned before, there's a very narrow window between the P2S and the H2S for this thing to fit into. So are we going to see a $900 to $1,100 or $1,200 price range for a Bambu Lab X2D combo? Is it going to be more? Are they going to shock us with a price that's lower? Probably not, because they're not going to undersell the P2S, but they've got a lot of competition right now. We've got the Snapmaker U1. We've got the newly announced FlashForge Creator 5. We've got that new 12 nozzle printer that can print like 36 colors. So there's a lot of competition that Bambu Lab has to contend with. So again, please let me know features and price down in the comments. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me. I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and hit the notification bell so you know when I drop new content. As always, I enjoy the time that we get to spend together here on the channel. Let's keep on learning, burning, printing, and growing together. Take care, everyone.